Hello everyone. So how to install the chosen app on iPhone? So for new users of iOS, you need to go to App Store. You need to be logged in into your Apple ID account. And then you can just go to search and then just search for the chosen app. So there you have it. And then you just need to tap Get and use your Touch ID to install the app. And there you have it. So this app is, with this app you can watch this like high rating series in a just in a better experience. Then you can just select open. And there you have it. That's the app. You can skip intro. And that's it. So then you can just watch all the episodes. And you can also fund the episodes here in the app. So if you want to, you can select these packages. So that's how it works. Hope it was helpful.